Hi everyone, today I'm going to present to you all about our database group and project. Our group consists of 5 people, which is me, NITHILAN, my friend NAUFAL, Harith, AMMAR, and LAYBI. Now I will pass to my friend LAYBI for the introduction.
Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. I am going to introduce about the introduction of our group project. Okay, in this group project title is about our catering service. Problem that we have identified for the system are retrieving and searching details about customer and order. This often causes delay and confusion, especially during busy period.
Okay, next about problem statement. So problem statement about this project is a lack of proper reporting system, such as currently there is a not proper reporting system in place for client orders. So this make difficult for owner to track the review and follow up the past transaction efficiently. So next, effective data management practice. So the management practice is about the poor data management practice negatively affect the service quality and harm the relationship with the client due to ignorance and available information handling.
Now I'm sharing about the objective. First, to develop a proper reporting system that allow the owner to easy track, review, and manage client order and post transaction. The second is to implement an organized data management system to improve service quality. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to pass my another friend.
Okay, next scope. We target user and modules. So for target user, we design the system to have primary user such as owner and supplier. So for expansion for owner is to manage overall operation, monitoring orders, and oversee supply activities. So for supplier is to interact with system to receive order and provide status update, happy streamline with communication and delivery. So second scope is for module. So module have two module, have management module and order module. So first management module is to help handling user to handling the account, data records, and system setting. So for the order module, to focus for processing new orders and taking deliveries and managing order history. So I pass for my friend for expecting account.
Okay, our expected outcome is that the system will be fully functional and optimized for everyone involved. This means user will have a smooth, pleasant experience when managing or accessing data. Most importantly, it makes daily operation more efficient and much less stressful, helping everyone work smarter, not harder. Okay, I will pass to my friend.
Now we will explain about the data definition language and data manipulation language of this database. Such one example is the create table. So the below data definition language is used for creating the table client and its following attributes such as name, phone, email, and address. So we also have another example which is insert values, but this one is for data manipulation language. So one of the example is to insert the values such as name, phone, email for the client entity. So next, we also have the SQL and relational algebra for this database. We also have an example for the SQL. So the scenario is get the names of all clients who have booked an event more than 100 guests. So the example SQL will be select from the client table. So join event booking on client ID, which are basically the terms needed to project an outcome where the guest count of more than 100 people for the report part. And the RA for it will be the one below the SQL, which uses symbol for projection. Next, I'll pass it on to my friend for the ERD of this database.
Okay, for this part, basically it's represent our project that ERD diagram for our project. So we have 4 entities. One of them are client, event booking, order, and supplier. So each entities consists of attributes like client, they have client name, phone number, email address, and event booking, we have event ID, client ID, event date, and venue, and event type. And order, we have order ID, event ID, supplier ID, quantity, total cost, and order date. And supplier, we have supplier ID, supplier name, contract email, and supply type. So each of these entity is related um by business rules. So I will mention one of the I'll mention them one by one. So for client, they must have a unique client ID where it is not null mentioned here. And then each event booking must be associated with one client. So one client can book one event. And then furthermore, we have order, and order we have it must be related to exactly one event booking. So you can see the crow foot notation here. It is one to many. And then for the order, and each order must have a unique order ID and must include order date, quantity, and total cost. Each supplier must have a unique supplier ID. So it is a unique number where it doesn't repeat because it's normalized. So that's all from us. Thank you.